Okay, beautiful people, so the curtain is up. I love it. It just needs to steam out, but when I'm done, I'm going to steam all the curtains in the house. But it looks like that. I love it. I was thinking if I should put something in the middle of it, but me see, you know, make it stay. In regards to the fridge, I have no choice, guys. I don't love it there, but it have to just work. It just have to do this, so guys. What I'm thinking to do though is to remove those off the top and just have it looking bare. And then I have all of this to tackle. I'm super excited about my mat. If you don't notice, it never did under the table because, you know, stuff happened. Probably after Vlogmas we get into it. Probably not necessary anymore because the problem fixed, but my son it will go wash and it came back yesterday. What can I do? All right, look at this. You see this? Look. You see how this one look? Bought it in Maxi, if you're wondering. But then I accidentally put them in the machine. So it was some Christmas ago. These did wrap up in the curtain and everything, and I put them in the machine and it came out like this. I feel hurt. I just don't know how to get it back together. It will look like this, pleated. I wonder if I can carry a dressmaker and then pleat it, but how will they do that? I hope something like that can be done. See it? So it still have the lining at the side where them can probably trace it, but then it gets so stretched out. Or other material, I don't know, probably other material here drop off at the back that was holding it together. Yes, see the card part here still stick. Guys, I don't know, and I all of them. Anyways, let me know what can be done. something might throw me off. I'm not sure what, but I'm not gonna spend my entire day I shuffle them around. But I just put that over it, the cushion cover, just to see if the arrangements why I never like it at first. I mean, this one is classier, but the one here give me a more, you know, Christmas vibe. I don't know, may I make it stay right there though, just in case I change my mind.
Guys, I came into my room this morning and I didn't know which house I was into. My wife won't stop changing the place. Next Christmas we have a look at England.
Let me just sweep for this first.
I'm so proud to see you set the camera exposure properly.
May I learn, you know? May I learn?
Why you bring me?
I only can decorate house. Ready? So I'm going to put the mat straight over the pot here.
Simple thing, man. Just draw the body.
Use the foot slide over the side there. Oh, perfect. The length is perfect. Oh, yes. Love it. And then these table mat that was on my wedding registry. Jordan bought these. Jordan, thank you so much again. Really appreciate them. The only thing is that I don't know if I'm gonna put out these, you know. Every time I put them out, people always say, no, take them up and wait until you eat. But it just, I don't look a razzle dazzle that I like. But I don't know if it's the style. Wait, how much of them are 5? No way. I thought it was 6. Oh, a 6. A 6 of them. Thank God. Thank goodness. Boy, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, it looks good. Maybe I use them though because the brown, like tying back with the table, and then the beige with the curtain. I wonder if it would have looked better if it did set so. What do you think? No, sir. So babe was saying to me that, and before me even say this is the first thing Jason ever said to me about home decor Alright, decorating the house basically. I agree. Him did that somebody to use back these because they match with the curtain more. Agree now. And I would really want to do that because rarely when Jesse tell me nothing about the house in terms of decorating, it no match. I really want to do it because I don't want him to feel like me disregard, you know, his opinion. So I might use back these. It's just that these are new. And you know, I change up the house and then the brown and the beige. But this really makes sense. And them tiny, them match, them fit in more. Anyways, we will see. Him never did see these line out, so I never ask him opinion and them know that it line out. Guys, it's so pretty. This smells so good. I love this part. This part made me so happy. I probably should have put the smaller one. What do you think? No, it's too small. Alright, so I have an idea. I don't know if you guys are gonna agree with me. I want to use this green and gold vase, but I was thinking that I could use my bouquet because my bouquet is just sitting in the box. So might as well have it and look on it every single day. The only thing is that I don't think it match the vase. You like it?
My house look like an Airbnb, you know. What you talking?
I know you're not supposed me to show you.
The vase and the Christmas tree.
Seriously, babe?
Jingle bells.
Babe, really?
I didn't want to show me, babe.
No.
The vase?
No.
Where you show me, babe? This? I can't this you show me.
I'm disappointed. Baby, that's what me show you.
Oh, the reindeer? Oh.
Baby, I did for spite. You just want me to show you?
Babe, stop tricking me, babe.
Oh my god.
Yeah, where you show me? This is your bouquet.
Yes!
Oh my god! I finally got it.
Babe, no, honestly, you never know.
I never know who we know.
Baby, I remember my bouquet.
Babe, it's not.
You would have not remember your ball, so.
Babe, you know, they're on the top of my brain, babe. That's why.
So, reindeer the money top of your brain. Reindeer the money top of your brain. No, sir. I'm showing you the bouquet in the vase. You like?
Yeah, I make the bouquet up on the table.
You know, that's why I call you. No,
Make it stay, man.
You think?
It's alright. But you use it for your purpose already. Make it stay. It look good.
You think so?
Yes, babe. I agree with it.
Okay.
Love you, you know.
I love you too. Very good. No, sir. Have a husband, they say. Anyways, I'm thinking to use it because it just put on there, and when it out, at least I can, you know, take care of it, like dust it off and stuff like that, other than just having it in the box. What do you think? This is so beautiful. Comment and let me know what you guys think. I'm showing it from this side. Is it too much or it can work? Because the bouquet just sit down in the box. Alright guys, so now I start feel love everything together. I'm not sure if I want the 4 cushion to stay on the sofa Okay, the place will come together, guys. What wanna say? Whew. Alright, so I don't know I'm gonna give one of this video episode by episode, because if I spend the entire day tweaking and touching stuff, I'm not gonna get this till midnight. This side or this side? Side A or side B? Vote in the comment section. A, B. So nothing at all. Side A or side B? To be really honest, I would have go with B. But let me know what you say in the comment section. It's just that B is too big. B make the table look too full up. So I'm not doing a Christmas tree. Take me telling you already. But I'm going to add a little razzle dazzle at the front door. You know, I'll give it a little Christmas. But oh no, that's what me I do. When I couldn't tell me, let me fit up the box. Could I put the fairy light and turn it on in the night, so it'll look like this. But come back, we'll put it at the right place. So it's right under this, and this is exactly as you enter the house. This little space, never have anything. I hear so the Christmas tree did there last year. So that's it. I'm gonna do fairy lights on, well, in the box and on this. I'm going to wrap it around the tassels that are hanging, or whatever those are called. Please answer the questions I'm asking you, so I can, you know, tweak what we tweak. Even though I feel contented with what I have now, but talk to me. Let my earphone open and okay. See you in Vlogmas, whatever day it's gonna be.